Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this AE neon like outline effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this video for reference because there's a lot of lines and I know it's like glowy already, but this is different. So we're just going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to add in the black and white filter first. And oops, forgot to hit enter. And then I'm just going to go to the media. Actually, I'll go to effects first and I'll just search for neon. And I'm just going to add that to the video first. And then I'll go to media, go to library, and I'm just going to find a color that I like. I'm just going to select a different color from that though, so maybe like this one. Or maybe like a actually I'll go with the pink one. Go to blend mode and select linear burn. Then you're going to go to effects and you're going to select edge glow. And then you're just going to add it on top. You can adjust the glow as well if you'd like to. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, go to blend mode and select brighten or screen. Whichever one you want. I'm just going to choose brighten. Then select add a keyframe here and like I guess a little bit here. Scale it up like that. And then go to animation, go to out and select fade out. But have it so it's like here. Like the fade out, I guess. So you're just going to want to put it again and add in the duration. Okay, maybe I want it to be a little bit closer so it fades out like, okay, that's a little bit too long, like that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comments section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!